Okay, these are all the pieces that were included in the box. The cushions and the entire thing all in here. The cushions are in these vacuum sealed bags right here in between each piece. When we cut the bag open, the cushions are going to expand, and then we have the covers that we'll have to put on those. All right, so one thing you may want to consider doing, I opened up the cardboard box that it was shipped to me in and spread it out here. And when I'm putting the pieces together, we'll put them on top of this cardboard box to try to avoid getting the furniture scratched up on the concrete. It's vacuum sealed, so it should open up whenever I cut it and the air hits it. You can already hear the air kind of coming out of there. There we go, look at it. Wow, nice. That's how they can fit all that in that one box. There you go. So we got some big foam cushions. Gonna put the covers on these, seat covers on these. All right, so to get the cushions in the seat covers, it's gonna be a two-person job, okay? And what we did is we turned the cushion inside out and folded the cushion, and then pulled, when it was inside out, pulled down toward me. My wife was on the other side, and that's how we got those cushions in. So, two-person job. All right, here's what it looks like when the couch is finally put together here, guys. I would say, you know, if you have a helper, it'd be a good job. Also, a small ratchet set would help. Instead of just the tools that they include with the device, they also recommended not to use a drill so you wouldn't strip out any of the holes, but a little ratchet set may be of help, with the little hex, little hex things you put in your ratchet set. That would be a help. We used a ratchet screwdriver towards the end when we were putting these pegs on, so that was a help here. But anyway, the couch has nice thick cushions. That was a big reason why we selected this one. The cushions are nice and thick, and you can see the little end pillows here, and also the rear cushions right here, nice and thick. And you can see what it looks like right here when I push down. So, big people, if you have big people in your family, when they sit on this, they should be very comfortable. Also, it comes with a cover. We haven't used this yet, but we can cover the entire couch and protect the cushions from the sunshine. Now, we're under a patio covered area here, but to protect from this getting wet, protect from the sun bleaching out the color of the cushions, that cover is going to be a nice little addition to have right there. So if you're looking for a couch for your patio or porch area, then this one from Rattaner is one that we got, and this one might suit your needs.